Bath time.
Bath time is fun time for Derek. He kicks, he walks. Now we turn him over. Oh. I know, you don't like this part.
Whoa, hey, little man.
Okay, back to fun time. Back to fun time. Back to fun time. Yeah, kicking and walking. Yeah, that's fun time. Look at him standing in the...
Oh, he doesn't usually cry like that.
Okay, we're done.
Pick him up, buddy. One last shot.
Okay, get his thing.
Good boy.